Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, put on gloves and set a towel under the knob to catch screws. Locate the set screws and remove the trim with a #2 screwdriver. This exposes the cylinder and latch. Once exposed, inspect for visible damage or debris and identify the lock type, cylindrical, mortise, or deadbolt, so you use the right approach. If a key is present, leave it in place but don't force it. Turning under tension can reveal whether the cylinder or latch is binding. Once the rose is off, pull the knob assembly free and support the spindle so it doesn't drop. Spray a small amount of lubricant into the keyway and around the latch bolt. Wait a minute for penetration. Now insert a tension wrench and apply gentle, steady torque in the direction the lock turns. With that torque in place, use a flat screwdriver or pick to nudge the latch or cam back into alignment. The combination of torque plus targeted nudging often frees a stuck cam or misaligned tailpiece. After you free the mechanism, realign the spindle and slip the knob or lever back onto the tailpiece. Then replace the rose and tighten screws just snug so parts sit square. Once reassembled, operate the key and knob through 5 to 10 cycles to ensure smooth action and to distribute lubricant. If you still feel scraping, or the key won't turn and the cylinder shows visible scoring, don't force it. Make sure to call a locksmith, because a damaged cylinder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.